workout, and today we are doing full body outside.
So we've got the get-ups to start in 3, 2, 1, and up we get. Up, up, down, down. And remember, when you do these, guys, make sure you are warming up thoroughly before. The reason why I'm not doing them at every time is because I know you can do these at home and I want you to get stuck into your workout. And I know some people do these and add them onto other ones as well, so you can be having a 24-minute workout, so you can just get straight into it then. Okay, so push up, down, down. Left foot, strong core, push up, down, down. Right foot, push, push, down. So remember, we're getting as many repetitions of these as possible. Keep your core strong, shoulders back and down. Lift up. We've got 7 more seconds to go. Lift up, down, down. I don't know about anybody else, but my core is killing me from our core workout. Let's stop there. The other day. Okay, so now we're going on to the reptile crunch. So down on the floor, we're going to walk it out, plank, and then walking back. Okay, starting in 3, 2, 1, and reptile, reptile, walk up, stand up, back down, walk it out, reptile, reptile, up we come, stand, down, and again, reptile, reptile, walk it up, and down, hands underneath your shoulders, chin in front of your fingertips, up we come, and back down, walk it out, reptile, reptile, walk it back, stand up, back down, walk out, reptile, reptile, and come back. Getting as many reps as we can in girlies. 10 more seconds. Round, round, and up, stand, back down. 3 more seconds, and relax. Okay, just the Bulgarian split squat. Oh, somebody put a love for there then. Thank you, whoever that is. Okay. So, foot is going to go on your bench, chair, sofa, whatever. I like to put the top of my foot on. You can also put your toe on. Hand. Let's go down and up. Nice and deep. Push up. So as you do this now, make sure that your chest is open, shoulders back, body in a nice straight line. You're going straight up and down. So this is going to really burn one leg at a time now. Okay? Going down nice and low, and your knee on the back leg should be pointing down towards the ground. So deep and push. All right, we've got another 20 seconds to go. And up, deep, push up, nice and low. Girls, I hope you're having an amazing day today so far. The weather is fab, let's make the most of it. Okay, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, give your legs a little bit of a shake out, because we've got 2 of them. And we're gonna work the other side now. So, foot's gonna go up. Whoa, Tara, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice and balanced, and down, push up. So again, with this, go down nice and low, pushing up through the heel of that working leg, and up. Shoulders back and down. Going down knees, nice and deep, and pushing up. So what's going to happen as you're doing this, this working leg is definitely going to feel it, but you're also going to feel a burn in that back leg. Things like this show how the whole body is working when we're doing these types of exercises. Okay, 15 seconds to go. Deep. Push up through the heel. You got this now. Keep going. My legs are burning, and sometimes we feel like we want to give up, but we can't. Let's take on the challenge. Deep. Push up. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Shake it out. Okay, that's 1 round done. We've got 2 to go. Thank you so much for whoever shared that love heart there. Every single one brightens up my day. Okay, back to the get-ups then, girlies. 3, 2, 1. Knees nice and wide. Step up, down, down. Onto the other side. Push up, down, down. Now you might feel like you want to put your hands on and help you up. That is not the point. But thank you for those 2 love hearts, whoever gave me those then. And again, down, down, foot on, step up, down, down, and the other side, push up, down. So you should be really feeling this in your leg now. Your core will be working hard as well. Coming up to the last 15 seconds. I think I forgot what I was doing then. And down, push up, last 10 seconds. Okay, you've got this now, girlies. Let's keep going. Thank you for the heart going up my screen there. Girls, we really do not understand how much I appreciate all of your support at this time. And relax. And I do hope that you guys feel supported as well. It is challenging. Okay, reptile walkout. So, stand on the mat, or your carpet or your rug, or wherever you are. Okay, and walk it out. Into the plank position. Reptile, reptile. Walk it back, and stand. Back down, and out. Reptile, reptile. Walk it up, and stand. Okay. We're doing as many reps as you can remember. So we're going to go down into that plank position. Exhale, all the way down. Hands under your shoulders, chin in front of your fingertips, core nice and strong. And stand. Back down. We're coming up to the last 15 seconds now. Let's keep going. And stand. Back down. Okay, reptile, reptile. Walking back. Stand up. Last 3 seconds. All the way out. Reptile, reptile, and relax. Okay, going back to the Bulgarian split squat now. I'm going to do the left leg first because I did the right first on the last one. Okay, so left leg is on the floor. Right one's going up on my bench. Thank you for the love. And support ghoulies. Keep it coming. Deep push up. So 45 seconds now. We're focusing just on this leg, okay? As you go down as far as it might feel comfortable. So imagine my leg is up here now. Okay, if you could just do this much, that's good. If you want to take a deeper, go all the way down. Okay, so your workout, remember, we're working to our intensity as we do this. Most important thing, girls, is that you're joining in. Okay, whoa, last 15 seconds. And up, lunge, push up through your heel. Feel it in your leg and stand. Nice strong core, 9, 8, 7, 6, nice and deep. You're with me, girls, keep going. It's burning. And relax, shake it out. Okay, so from the left side to the right next. Your foot is going to come up onto the bench. Let's make the most of this rest. Please last for ages. Okay, here we go then. And down, push up. So again, nice and deep, nice and controlled. It's not a race with this. Make sure you've got good form. You're nice and stable. Put your arms out, you feel you're going to fall over. Okay, and again, you can put the top of your, the front of your foot on your bench or sofa, or you can go up onto your toes. And deep and up, nice and low. Working one leg at a time. You're going to feel the burn on both legs right now. Okay, coming up to the last 10 seconds on this. Push on with me, girlies, this is hurty. Okay, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. We've got one more round to go. I hope you're fab. Look at your weather. It's crap here. Oh no, Sen, you're in Spain as well. We always think you guys have better weather. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, last time on the get-ups then. Up, up, down, down. Other side. Up, up, down, down. Push up, right foot. Stand, down, down. And left foot. Stand up, down, down. Keep your core strong. Keep your knees nice and wide apart. Working your core, working your legs. Heart rate's going to be up. Okay, this is the last round on this now, so keep pushing. I know it's hard. Don't give up. Push up, down, down. Coming up to the last 10 seconds on this exercise, and this is the last time we're doing this today. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Ta-da! 3 more exercises to go. Okay. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's walk it out. Working the core, hands under your shoulders, reptile, reptile. Walk it back. Stand up, squeeze your butt, back down. Nice strong core. And round, round. Walk it up. Stand up, shoulders back and around. Let's walk back down. And reptile, reptile. Take your time. Strong core. Stand up, back down. This workout is amazing for your whole body, and also if you need something low impact without any jumping around. If I'm honest, I can't take much jumping around these days since I've had Danny, so things like this are amazing. And round, round. Here we go. Up we come. Last 3 seconds. Down, down, down. Reptile, reptile. Excellent. That's the reptiles done for the day. We've got the Bulgarian split squat now, and 1 foot up, last time on this. So I'm going to do my right leg first now this time. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and let's lunge. And up, deep, and up, all the way down, nice and low, as far as it feels comfortable for you. Pushing up through the heel on that working leg. Nice and slow and controlled. Shoulders back and down, core nice and strong. Okay, we've got less than 30 seconds left on this now. Nice and deep, push up. Again, it's not a race, this is tough, girls. Nice and deep, and push up. Last 15 seconds. My legs are really burning now. We've got to dig in. This is where the good stuff happens. This is when we want to quit, but we don't. We keep on going. Comfort zone and all that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Oh wow, that hurts. And that is my mild response. You might have children in the background, listen. Okay, so last one now. Foot onto your bench or sofa, onto one leg, hand down and up. Nice and deep. Remember now, shoulders back and down, looking out and forward. Contract your belly button in and up towards your spine. Going down nice and deep and up. Deep and up. Nice and low, nice and controlled. Work those muscles through your thighs, your butt, and of course your core. Ah, you gotta shake that one up, girls. That's so burny. I think it's important for you to see that I'm struggling with this as well. I've shed my wobbles. I'm a normal girl just like you. Deep and up. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Ta-da!